Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to round up or add the cart in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. Just click it. The themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for Base CS. A file named Base RSS will appear. Click it to open your store's appearance script. All your store's styling code is here. We'll scroll down to the very last line. Just go all the way down. At the bottom, there's a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link's in the description. It has a script to round the Add to Cart button. Let's click the Click Here button. The script will be copied after clicking. Back in Shopify, we'll paste the code on the blank line. After pasting, go to the top right where the Save button is. The change has been saved successfully. Now your store's Add to Cart button will have rounded edges. You can also change the Buy button, but that's covered in another video. You've now successfully rounded the Add to Cart button. I hope this video helped. Bye.